welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys a Dollar Tree haul. I went to the Dollar Tree in the United States over the weekend, and I also went to the Canadian Dollar Tree, so I'm going to share the haul with you. And before we start, I just want to say hello to Jennifer, who is a viewer who actually came up to me in the Dollar Tree while we were in the States and said hi. So that was like super fun, super exciting for me. Thank you for coming up and saying hello to me. I really appreciate it. So let's just hop right in with what I got. I'll start with the stuff that I got while I was there. I got these birthday supplies for Jude's birthday party. So he's into Lego, so I picked up some napkins, some of these small plates, as well as some of these big plates. I thought this was a pretty good deal for $3 to have all the, stuff taken care of. There are 20 napkins in here, and then 18 plates in here and 20 in here. So this will definitely be enough for his party, and I think that's great for $3. Next, I picked up some original Bazooka Joe, although it doesn't say Joe, it just says Bazooka bubble gum. So just this pack here, it's already been opened, and I've already had some, and just like I remember, it was super stale, but then gets nice and soft, and it has the little comic-y thing inside, so that was pretty cool. So I picked that up. Then I grabbed one of these terrariums that are sort of all over the Dollar Tree hauls lately, so I picked up this one here, and I'm excited to do something with that coming up soon. And this is kind of funny. I was with my friend while we were there, and we saw all these Jillian Michaels DVDs. So just for fun, I picked up this beginner shred number 3 20-minute workouts. So for $1, I thought this was kind of fun, and maybe I will end up looking like that sometime in the future. And I also picked up more of the Floral Wire. I was excited because sometimes the gold color is hard to find, at least at my specific Dollar Tree, so I picked up 2 of these. And last thing I picked up while I was there was this sweet little rock, inspirational stones. This one says love on it, so I picked that one up there. They were right by the cash as I was checking out, and they had a couple different ones, but I liked the love one. Now I'll hop into the items that I got from my Canadian Dollar Tree, so my local Dollar Tree. First thing I picked up were invitations to birthday parties. So Miriam's birthday party, I picked up these ones here. I thought it was cute. They had little ice cream cones on them, and she wants a sort of ice cream inspired birthday, so I thought that would be perfect. And then for Jude, I couldn't find anything specifically themed for him, but I found these invitations here, and it just says, please come celebrate with us, with some balloons on there. So I thought those would be perfect, and these were actually $1 each. Then I found these 2 wooden signs, which I had never seen before, and they are perfect for DIYs. They are this one here, kind of like a banner. And so it's cut out like a 3D banner. So I guess when I do my design on it, I'll make it like 3D. And so I picked up this one here, and I also picked up another one because I just thought that I might do it for each kid. I'm not sure, but I picked up 2 of them because I think this will be fun little DIY. Then with Miriam's long hair, you can never have too many hair ties, so I picked up more of these rubber bands, just the clear ones, 500 pack, and so we really like those for her hair, so I grabbed them. I also picked up these little organizing bins, the pack of 3 here. I like to buy my organizing bins, even though they have really fun colors, I like to buy sort of white or black or neutral. Just because they're sort of classic. They'll never go out of style or fashion. But anyway, I picked up the 3-pack, and I will use this likely in organizing the arts and crafts cupboard for myself and for the kids. Then as I was away on the weekend, I realized that I don't have excellent storage for all my cords and stuff. So I picked up this eyeglass case, just plain black. I'm gonna store my earbuds in there, as well as my cord for my iPhone. So it's kind of tiny, but I think it'll be the perfect size for storing my cords. So that's that. Then I went and picked up a whole bunch of florals. Dollar Tree, I don't know, they're not impressing me all that much with their florals at this time of year, but I still found a few. So these are the ones that I found. Got 1 bunch of hydrangeas, then I got the classic peonies. I love these ones. I love the color, and I can always use those for DIYs at this time of year. I found these cherry blossoms. I thought those were pretty cute, and I like the pink color. And I found this very sad bunch here. They kind of look like wildflowers, but I think that they're missing a couple of blooms, but Anyway, I don't know, I think I can work with these. So I just like the colors of them, so I picked them up anyway. And then I got one of these. These are the lilacs in white. Thought those were pretty. And then lastly, I got this dogwood one here. I thought those were also really pretty. And lastly, I just picked up some more succulents. I wish they had those picks that they had either last year or the year before, but they don't. They just have the ones in these little cups. So I picked up 3 of them. Then I also picked up just one of these little cactus plants. So there you have it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video in the future. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!